Good afternoon, children. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
How
ma'am.
are you all?
Thank you, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
Homework. Many children have sent me the homework. So, who is going to tell me the answer? Let me see. Okay. Anthony, please read the question, that number name in Indian system. See, children, we are discussing, those who are joining late, we are discussing the homework answer. Anthony is going to say the number name in Indian system. Okay, Anthony.
Ma'am.
Yes, Tanya. 1 minute, Anthony, 1 minute. Yes, Tanya.
13th one.
No. It's a homework question, the answer for homework. Okay, Anthony, please. Yes, Anthony.
79 lakh
79 lakh
34,000
34,000
567.
67. Somebody has sent me the answer as 61, and then I said okay, because maybe they have written instead of 7 they have written 1, maybe because of that. If you have written 1, then you can write 1. Okay, so the question was 79 lakh 34,567. Okay, Tanya, have you done the homework? Tanya.
I could not attend the before class.
Okay, so we have given one homework. Okay.
Ma'am, can I read?
Okay. Devak, can you say the answer in international system?
7,934,000.
Yes. 7,934,567. So I hope that number name is clear for in Indian system of numeration and international system of numeration. Yes.
Yes.
Clear.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So if the number name is given, are you able to write the numeral
Yes, ma'am.
or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
yes.
understand. Ma'am, can you
Fia,
repeat?
can you on your video, Fia Maria?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we have discussed the number name. If the number is given, you can write the number name. So like the same, if number name is given, you can write the numeral. But you have to, before writing, you have to draw the place value, that boxes, ones, tens, 100, 1,000,
Okay, ma'am.
10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, then only you will start entering the numbers. Then otherwise, if some place is missing, some place value, that number is missing, you have to keep zeros for that. Okay. Okay, good afternoon. So what you have to do, can you take the workbook?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Which question we have to complete?
Ma'am, we have to complete
See how much question we have done?
4.
4.
Fourth question was homework.
Ma'am, we have done till 6th question.
I hope till 6th one.
Ma'am,
Okay.
till 6th
So
one.
children, some children have done till 4th one only. 4th one, 1 lakh. That we have discussed that day, no? 1 lakh is equal to 100,000.
100,000.
Option number?
100,000.
Option B.
Option B.
Now question number 5. 5. Brightlin, can you read the question? All others, please. If I mute, you will not be able to speak in between. That's why I want the answer from you. That's why I'm not bringing. So what do you have to do? If one person is answering, others please mute. Brightlin, read question number 5.
I'm in workbook.
Workbook. Workbook question number
The 5.
5.
The greatest 6-digit number is dash.
Greatest 6-digit number. You know, greatest 1-digit number means 9. So that is 1 digit means only 1 9. 6 digit means how many 9 should be there?
6 9.
Option. Brightlin, which is answer?
Option
Ma'am, option D.
Option D. Count how many 9 are there? Count how many 9?
6.
1, 2,
6
3,
9.
4, 5,
6
6.
nines.
6.
6 nines are there.
6 9.
So can you,
Nines are there.
Rajit,
6
the answer is
nines.
correct. Can you read the number
6
name?
nines, ma'am.
Read the number name. Keep, keep
9,99,999.
Is that clear for everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
If greatest 5-digit number means you have to see there should be 5 9. If greatest 6-digit means all the 6 digits should be 9. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
Now, Harsha, can you read question number 7? No, 6.
The predecessor of 70,000 is
Count the number of digits, Harsha. Count the number of digits.
70 lakh.
No, tell me how many digits number. How many
Six.
digits?
6.
6 or 7 or 5? How many digits?
6.
6 digits. So, what is that number name?
70 lakh.
Huh?
Ma'am,
Can
can
you
you
write
say?
the places
Ma'am,
of
can you
the
say?
ones,
7 lakh.
tens, ones,
7 lakh.
tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh. How many lakh?
7
7
lakh.
lakh.
Okay.
7 lakh.
Tell me the answer.
Okay, ma'am.
Predecessor means number before.
Before.
Number
One.
before.
Option
Harsha is
C.
answering me. All others,
Option
please.
C.
Can you say the option?
69,000. Option C.
C. Option C. Yes. 6,99,999.
99,999.
Children, what's the answer? Option C.
C. Option C.
Option C.
Okay. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, children,
Yes, ma'am.
before, if you have any doubt, what you have to do? You have to write the place values like ones, tens, 100 on top of the numbers. Okay. Then you will not get confused. So, next one we are going to do question number
Okay, ma'am.
7. Before writing, children, I will share that screen. Chapter 3, large numbers, we are doing question number 7. See children, before that, I want all the children can draw in the rough book or on the side, we can draw one box. To write the
Ma'am, we can, excuse me, ma'am. We can draw in the rough book, right?
rough book, yes.
I cannot see the screen. Ma'am, we can see the screen. We can
Can you see the screen? Children, can
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Now we can see.
You can see the screen.
not share the screen? Yes. Ayman, I think some connection problem for you.
Yes, ma'am, we can see.
Okay.
I
So,
cannot see,
Ayman, what you have to do is take your workbook, take question number 7. Okay. All the children, please draw one place value, that box. Small one. in the rough book. You answer. Huh?
Ma'am, can we draw in a rough book?
Yes, rough book. Okay. So, before writing new answer here, children, I want you to draw the place value. Otherwise, you will make mistakes. So, what do you have to do?
Okay, ma'am.
Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. After 10,000, what is coming?
Lakh.
Lakh. Okay. So, children, what you have to do is read the question properly and place the digits in the boxes. place the digits in the boxes.
Boxes.
write in the rough book or
You can write in the rough book, then you have to copy in the, only the answer you can copy to the workbook.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Finish.
Ma'am,
Ananda, can you read the number, question number 7?
excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, I man. 1 minute. Okay.
1 lakh.
Ananda, please wait. Yes, I man.
Ma'am, we should write the place value chart also on the rough book.
Rough book, you have to draw the place value. Then find the answer and write neatly into the workbook. Can you see the screen, Ayman?
Now I can see, ma'am.
Now you can see.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Children, I'm going to mute because when the children are saying the answers.
see the screen.
1 minute. When the children are saying the answers, all the children will not be able to hear it properly and you will write wrong answers. So when I call you, you can unmute and speak. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Cannot see the board.
Okay, now. So, who was saying the answer? Ananda, please unmute. Okay. Please unmute. Can you read the question number 7?
The numeral for 1,25,123 is.
So the numeral for 1 lakh. So you can start writing in lakhs place. In the lakhs box, how many? 1 lakh.
One,
So you
ma'am.
can write it over here. 1 lakh. In 25,000. In thousands place, 10,000 and 1,000. That period we have 25,000. In the 100 place we have 123. Okay, children. Gautam, please unmute. Okay, can you read this number? Number name?
Yes, ma'am. 1 lakh
1 lakh
25,123.
Okay, 1 lakh
1,25,123.
25,123. So children, what you had to do? You had to write the numeral here with comma, that periods. How we, in Indian system, how we are keeping the commas, you know, from the back, first 3, then 2 digits. Okay, from the back, from the right side to the front, we are going backward, that is 3 commas in the beginning, then 2 digits. So 1,25,123. 1, 2, 3, you will keep comma. Then afterwards, you can keep 2 comma after 2. Children, write neatly with commas.
Ma'am, over.
Children,
Ma'am,
over.
over. Ma'am, over.
Over. So children, when you write the numeral, please make sure that you are keeping
Okay,
the
ma'am.
comma correctly. In Indian system, you know, from the back, 3 digits, then 2 digits. In
Okay, ma'am.
international system,
Ma'am, can I ask a doubt?
all these are 3 digits, the comma. Okay, if you are keeping the comma correctly, then only we will be able to read the number name correctly. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Next one, Blesswin.
Okay, ma'am.
Can
Yes,
you read
ma'am.
number 8?
Yes, ma'am.
Blesswin, yes. Unmute. Okay. The number name.
The number name of 25 lakh.
Count. Yes, correct only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 digits. So that is 25 lakh. Very good. Okay, continue.
25 lakh 30,223.
23. Okay, children, you can write. Okay, number name of, here we have 25 lakh. 20, 25, 20, 25 lakh 30,000 223 223. I want all the children to write the spelling correctly. 23. So we are writing 25 lakh 30,223. Write without spelling mistake. Okay, Adinath, please unmute. Adinath, please unmute.
Ma'am,
Okay, can you read question number 9?
in the international system of numeration, all the periods have dash places is.
Okay, in international system of numeration, each how many periods? All the periods have how many?
Three.
Excuse me,
So
ma'am.
children, you can write
I'm
here.
not understanding.
Three, ma'am.
National
Ma'am.
system.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Right,
Ma'am,
three.
it's Fia.
Yes,
Ma'am, Fia.
Fia. Yes, Fia.
Ma'am, I have not understood ninth question.
How we are keeping the commas, Fia, in international system after every 333. All the periods. 1, 10, 100, 3 digits.
Yes, ma'am.
Thousand place we have 1,000, 10,000, 100,000.
100,000. Yes, ma'am.
Understood? So all the periods have how many digits?
All the periods have three
All
digits.
the digits have 3 digits. Okay, ma'am.
Understood, Fia?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Now we can write
We
number.
can
We
write
should write
three.
number
You can write
or in
three.
spelling.
Spelling, no problem, spelling.
Ma'am, we can write number 2,
also,
right?
no problem. 3.
Okay, ma'am.
So in international system, you have to always keep in mind when you write three digits or places will be in each period. Okay. But in Indian system, ones, tens, 100 there. After that, we have only two digits in or two places in each period. Okay. Question number 10. Angelina, can you read question number 10?
Yes, ma'am. How many lakhs equal 1 million?
Yes. How many lakhs?
10 lakhs.
Remember the place values of
10 lakhs.
10 lakh.
10
10
lakh. Very good. 10 lakh. Very good.
10
Okay,
lakhs.
Here to do, okay, children, please be quiet. When you say this answer, if you have any doubt, you have to draw the place value, the chart of
Okay,
both
ma'am.
Indian system and international system. Indian system and
Yes.
international system. So in Indian system, ones, tens, 100, then 1,000, 10,000, lakh. But lakh in international system, that is 100,000.
100,000.
10 lakh will be 1 million.
1 million.
So 10
Ma'am,
lakh
so
million.
100 million will be 1 crore, right? In Indian system.
If you say that in between, children, they will,
Ma'am,
those who are writing, they will make mistakes.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So how many lakhs equal 1 million? 1 million, that is equal to
10 lakhs.
10 lakhs.
10 lakhs.
You can write 10 lakhs.
10
Look at
lakhs.
the spelling and write neatly. Lakh. KH, not CK. LSCK, what is the meaning lakh?
Lack of
Ma'am, the bangles. Bangles, that is, ma'am.
LAKH.
L-A-K-H. It is not.
LAKH.
Nothing that is not sufficient.
Okay.
10 lakhs.
Very good. Very good. Question number 11. I want all the children to draw the place value in your rough book again. Draw the place, that box. Tanya, where is the rough book? Write the place value.
What is the answer of 9th question?
Huh?
Ma'am, what is the answer of 9th question?
Question number 9. What was question number 9? 3. In international system, all the periods have how many places? All the periods have 3 places. Ones, tens, 100 in that one place. Then in the next one, we have 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. Yes, so international system, every 3 places. Okay. So write the numeral for 1 crore 6 lakhs. So before that, I want the children to draw the place value, that box or chart in your rough book. Ones, tens, 100, then 1,000, 10,000. After that, lakh, 10 lakh. Then comes crore. So after drawing this only, you will be able to, not able to, you have to.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Okay, very good. Wait.
Ma'am, 106.
Don't say all the children first do in your rough book. Then only you are allowed to write in the.
Am I finished?
Okay. So write the numeral. Ammu, can you say 1 crore 6 lakh? Can you say the numbers?
1 crore.
1 crore. So where will I keep the 1? Below crores place. Okay. 1 crore 6 lakh. 6 lakh. So where should I write 6?
Then you can turn off.
In lakhs place. In 6 lakh. So what about 10 lakh? Zero. Very good.
Should place
Zero. Okay.
0 and 0.
Ammu, continue. 6 lakh, then?
6 lakh. 40,000.
So where will I write? In the place of 1,000?
In 10.
40,000. Is it correct?
Yes.
Now what should I write?
600.
51. 651. Okay. So children, if you don't keep the 0 here, you will not get, you can count the number of digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In crore, we should have 8 digits. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
In crore, if we have to get 8 digits, but if you forget to keep here 0, you will get only 7 digits. So that will not be crore. Understood? So before writing the numeral, all the children, you should draw one place value chart to see, is there any place value
we should
is
put
missing?
a comma.
A comma, you will write here. When you write here, you have to keep the comma. Okay.
Ma'am, when the question answer we can write.
First,
Okay,
write
ma'am.
without comma. 1, 0, 6, 4, 0, 6, 5, 1.
Excuse me, ma'am.
How to keep the comma?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
First
Mrs.
start with 3 digits.
I've started with 3 digits.
Three,
digits.
then
Ma'am, someone is
First
talking
three,
and it's a disturbance.
Did you
Someone's
get
parent
the
is talking.
numbers, comma, Anusri?
Yes, ma'am.
You were asking me something?
Ma'am, I said I finished.
Okay. So children, is this comma? You don't forget. First 1, 2, 3 digits. After 3 digits, you have to keep the comma. Then every 2 digits. So it's clear.
Okay, ma'am.
Now ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, then crore. So it is 1
Okay, ma'am.
crore, 6 lakh, 40,651. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Next one,
Yes,
you can
ma'am.
do alone. Predecessor and successor. Predecessor means
Ma'am, I did.
before.
And I finished
Ma'am,
already,
you
ma'am.
have
Number
completed, okay?
before
Please wait for others.
successor means I did it.
Predecessor and successor. So I will.
Predecessor means minus one. Successor means minus. Successor means plus.
Do alone. Predecessor means number before predecessor. You can write predecessor, then you can write directly predecessor. Predecessor means number before and successor means number after. You have to count the number of digits in the question and number of digits in your answer also. Amna Fatima, can you please unmute? Amna, please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you read the number?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you read this number? Please count the number of digits and then read the number.
I can't hear you. Can you tell once more?
Can you read the number in the question?
Yes.
Ah.
Seven.
7.
1 second. 7 lakh.
Okay, very good. 7 lakh.
20. 20,000.
20,000 and 1 only.
And 2.
Yes. And
1.
and 1. In the question it is 7 lakh 20,000 and 1.
1.
I want you to say me the answer of predecessor. Predecessor means what? Number before.
Yes, before.
Yes.
7 lakh 20,000.
Very good. 7 lakh 20,000.
1,000.
1, 2, 3. Check your number of digits in the answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
5, 6.
Okay. So if one number, 1 0 is missing, your answer will be wrong. So after 20, you have to check. Okay. Now you have to keep the comma after 3 digits. Okay. Then 2 digits. So you can easy for you. 7 lakh 20. In 1,000, how many digits should be? How many 0? 3 zeros.
3 zeros.
So after writing 20, in 1,000, you have to keep 3 zeros. Understood?
Okay.
Okay. Now I want Agnay to tell me the successor. Unmute. Unmute. Agnay, please unmute. Yes.
Successor 72,002.
Successor is equal to
72,000.
7.
72,000.
Is it 72,000? Count the number of
No.
digits.
7 lakh
7 lakh
20,000.
20,000 and
2.
2. Very good. Okay. 7 lakh 20,000 and 2. Children, you have to keep the zeros. Comma. 1, 2, 3. Then after 2. 7 lakh 20,000 and 2. Don't forget to keep the zeros in between 20 and 2. Instead, before 2, you have to keep 2 more zeros because 1,000 place, no, 100 place and 10th place, they are zeros. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Mama, I wrote it has successor. So I wrote successor straight way.
What?
Ma'am, I wrote it like this. 13 question
Okay, okay.
can we
Have you
do as
completed? And did you check the answer?
Yes,
Okay, okay.
Ma'am,
Yes,
13
it is
question
correct.
can we do as homework? Excuse me, ma'am.
1 minute.
Ma'am, 13th question can we do as homework? Ma'am, gone.
No. Ma'am did not go.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
turn off her
ma'am,
video.
switch off the video.
Everybody mute.
Mute, blue.
Ma'am, your video is off.
Okay, children.
Tanya,
Okay, children. Is that clear? How to write the number name if the numeral is
excuse me,
given?
ma'am.
Yes.
And how to write the numeral
Yes, ma'am.
if the
Yes,
number
ma'am.
name is given?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Who is
Yes,
calling
ma'am.
me?
Ananda.
Ananda. Yes,
Ma'am,
Ananda.
any
Oh, children,
homework?
others,
Ma'am?
please be quiet. Then only I can hear. Yes, Ananda.
Ma'am, 13 question can we do as a homework?
Homework. Okay, we have next period. One more period we have, no? That time we can
Okay,
complete.
ma'am.
Ma'am, I completed this concept.
We completed this question in the workbook, but I want you to draw the table. So we will do together in the next
Ma'am,
period.
I completed 3.1.
Okay. So children, I hope have we, so we will draw the box and leave. Can we do the box? I think it's the time.
Yes,
No.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Time is not. So children, we can no problem. We can complete question number 13 and 14 in the next period. So what we have discussed,
Okay, ma'am.
how to write the numeral if
Numeral.
number name is given. And if
Number
number name is given, how to
Number
write the
name.
numeral. Every time, even for writing the numeral and number name, I want you to draw the place value chart.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Not
Okay,
one
ma'am.
only.
Okay,
Once
ma'am.
in that one. Okay, children?
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
This is Chris Jawad.
Okay, Chris John.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.